Not Christmas sweater today, my work sweater. And don't worry, the boxes are going to be wrapped also. There was a small hiccup that we encountered today. Good day, my friends, and welcome to another Vlogmas day. I believe today is day 8. Oh my god, I can't believe it's been already 8 days since I started Vlogmas. I gave myself the goal of posting every single day, and I just want to make sure that I'm posting at least a very short video just to stay on track. So many of you saw yesterday, we started working on my friend's bathroom, and this is a project that we are aiming to finish in the next couple of days. Very excited, and we will be doing a plaster treatment on the walls. So I came up with this idea of using paint and joint compound, because previously, like you saw in the previous pictures, she had this really ugly wallpaper, and that was like probably there from the 90s, or yes. So we took that down. She actually took it down, and now we're just gonna treat the walls with this plaster treatment. She really wants a plaster treatment in the bathroom, so we're gonna make it happen. Very excited to do that. And yes, if you're wondering, yes, I am wearing my work sweater. Not Christmas sweater today, my work sweater. Oh my god, it changed. Come down with me, and we are gonna finish the walls today, and hopefully we can get everything done within the next couple of days. So the way that I'm achieving this texture is, so I ended up getting a satin enamel finish for the paint in the color Cotton Sheets by Bear, and some pretty color, by the way. And I'm mixing it with joint compound. Now, how I'm gonna do is, like, I'm gonna add a little bit of joint compound and then add a little bit of paint. I can always add more paint, but I cannot. So never add compound to paint, always add paint to compound. There was a small hiccup that we encountered today, and we kind of paused this side of the bathroom where we are doing the texture wall. I wanna show you guys what happened with the actual texture, and if you guys have any suggestions as to how I can fix it, because this is kind of like a science experiment, I would appreciate all the suggestions. But let me show you what I'm talking about. Overnight, we noticed that when I came in today, I noticed that a lot of the walls started cracking like this. And mind you, this is just joint compound and paint, but it's happening all around the wall and around the shower. Like, look at this. This is very visible right here in the corner. You see? It's extremely visible when it comes to like the crackling, also like right there. So if you have any suggestions as to why that's happening or how it can be fixed, it'd be incredibly appreciated, since we are trying to make this work, and we would love to stick with the idea of a textual, but look, see how cracked it is. And we're gonna start on this side of the bathroom where we're actually doing a wallpaper to make it look like a slatted wall, and I'm using this wallpapers from Wallpops. It's a peel and stick, and we're gonna use it on this side, and it's gonna give it that slatted wall look.